High school math starts with Algebra 1. You want a good, solid Algebra 1 course. And if you have a student who's interested in a STEM-related field, they definitely should be considering taking Algebra 1 in 8th or even 7th grade to give them sort of a jump on this progression. If not, if your child's more interested in humanities, then Algebra 1 in 9th grade is just fine. I still recommend that you go from Algebra 1 to geometry. There's some flexibility with that, but the traditional progression is still kind of my favorite. And then from there, right into Algebra 2. Algebra 2 has become a really core class because there's so much Algebra 2 content on the SAT now, and I think it's just you want to make sure you get a really good solid grounding in that now, an in-depth course, because the Algebra 2 on the SAT is pretty rigorous. I also recommend that at the end of that Algebra 2 course, especially if they're juniors when they take that, they take a SAT math prep class and prepare and then take the SAT. The June test at the end of junior year is nice. Other kids also like to study over the summer and take the August test date before starting their senior year. Also, AIM Academy does offer a geometry intensive. It's a 7-week course on the main concepts in geometry, and that can help if you want to get a jump on geometry or if you also feel like you need a little bit more of a foundation than what you covered in your geometry class. After Algebra 2, pre-calculus is a great option. If you're a humanities student, it can still be a good senior year course before you go to college, and definitely if you're headed to calculus, you want to have a solid pre-calculus course. Senior year, you also might want to be thinking about taking an SAT subject test in math, and those scores can help you even test out of some courses in college, but they also just show colleges your strengths if you feel like you have some strengths in the area of math. And then senior year is really where STEM-minded students and humanities-minded students start to part ways because you have different goals, and so there's different things you need to focus on. So a humanities-minded student can do just fine with a statistics course or college algebra course at a local community college. It can get you out of a college requirement and can be just a really helpful course. And definitely if you're looking to go into engineering, math, and science fields, then you're looking at a calculus class, maybe even AP calculus.